guys, I'm Joseph, and today I'll be reviewing our fridge we bought from Caravan RV Camping. It's a Dometic CFX3 95-liter dual zone fridge. It's very easy to use and have a nice cool features. You can run it all as a fridge, all as a freezer, or combination of both. Yeah, it's easy to open. It's got a inside LED lights that you can find your cold beer even when it's dark. It's very good on power, run on 12 or 240 volts, and I can tell you in our summer trip at ambient temperature 35 degrees Celsius, the freezer still holds minus 18 very easily. It also have a Bluetooth connection that all the setup, switch on, switch off, temperature setup in both zones, you can run it off from your phone, and also you can monitor the inside temperature on your screen. Yeah, it's a very nice fridge, I would say, and I would definitely recommend it. Thank you for watching.